Have fun.
Better not be any creepy crawlies.
Too low from there.
More bait.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Check this out. It's pelican heaven.
Bad timing. Not like we're in a hurry or anything. The campsite's just filling up by the looks.
I know, it looks busy over there.
It's good for people on the other side. They're getting in while we're sitting here. Just fingers crossed we can get a spot.
Yeah. There is lots of camping around here though. Big Bend and
Yeah, true.
places. So.
But this is the spot.
Yeah.
You got the cafe just there, the pub up there, and we're just straight across the river.
There's the cafe. And the pub. Good views from up there.
Yeah, we'll take you for a walk because the camping's just over here.
You're right behind that big tree.
Yeah. And then we just walk back up, jump on the ferry, and come across and straight into all this, which is pretty good.
We're back in the caravan. Woo-hoo! So we've come to Tenbury Hunter Reserve, which is in Swan Reach, right across the river from the hotel and all the rest, and good little spot.
It's a great spot. Yeah, there's a couple of sections of it, which we'll probably show you. And down that section there, which is further away from the ferry and a bit of noise or whatever, it is just jam-packed.
It's a busy weekend.
Up here, we're basically almost on our own, and I like this end.
And here we are, right up the end, all on our own.
In the picnic area. Away from the riffraff. Closer to get onto the ferry to go across. When you go for a walk, it's awesome, yeah. Great little spot.
Yep.
It's free, $0.
Yeah.
What a great little spot.
And they have bins,
Yeah,
a toilet.
yeah, a shower, I
And
think.
What's the main thing? A dump point.
Oh, yes, yes.
And also they've got like a deli supermarket, and you can get fuel there as well. So
Yeah.
diesel and unleaded.
Yeah, that's a good little spot. That's right, I forgot about the supermarket. Yeah, so they, just for your essentials that you need. They also do pizza and everything at the supermarket.
And if you're interested in golf, their golf course is grass, and it's actually really nice.
From what I can see, it looks really good.
Yeah. So yes, great to be back in the caravan. Oh, it's so good.
Love the rooftop though.
Yeah.
And if you've got a boat, this is the area to come to.
Yeah, their little boat ramp area, which is across the river on the town side, is actually a beautiful green picnic area with a little playground.
To the kids.
Really good toilets over there, and yeah.
Yeah, no, it's awesome. All right,
Catching the fits up.
on ya. Now this isn't a bad little spot. Check this out. Got a little section to ourselves. The rest of the campers are down there. You're probably going to hear the ferry behind me. That'll go all night, but who cares?
How good's this?
Yeah, boy.
I love the cliff face we're looking at. We're facing.
Yeah, isn't it beautiful? And what I've just done here, you can see that and that. They're little core flutes we've made up to say the site's taken, because we've got some friends joining us on this trip. Some people that follow us on YouTube that we've become friends with, and yeah, they wanted to come along on this trip. And there's the ferry. There's some mongrels getting all our fish. And so the ferry's going to pull in there. Up there is the pub, which is the hotel, which is absolutely beautiful, and down the bottom from the hotel is the cafe. So we've only got a 50-metre walk, if that, to go across there. Happy days.
Gibbo's trying out my homemade pasties. What do you think?
Well, have a look. They look like shit.
Oh, they do.
But they taste amazing. I just had a really small one. She made a really small one as well. So I ate that first. Absolutely beautiful.
Yummy. I'm not going to get sick of this view.
No. Didn't believe me, did you?
What?
I told you. I told you. Look. There are sharks in the river. Yeah, alright, the little woman is going to make some pizza. These are actually good pizza bases. We like thin pizza bases, but these thick ones from where's the pizza bases from, Bob?
Baker's Delight.
Baker's Delight. They're really soft and fluffy, aren't they? They remind me of the old pan-fried from Pizza Hut years ago.
Yeah.
And they're actually really nice. Because we normally just use the Coles really, really thin one. Oh, of course.
What?
She's got all the fairy lights and stuff up,
Of course.
as she does.
This is called Ruffles Guts Pizza. Just doing a pepperoni and ham and pineapple. Simples, keep it simple. What a beautiful sunset we had tonight. Well, as in
Well, yeah.
sun on the cliff face.
Yes, the sun on the...
It was absolutely gorgeous.
The old pub, that should light up nice tonight, I reckon. Should look pretty cool.
The noise of that ferry will put me to sleep
Same.
tonight. Love that.
Yeah.
It's like traffic noise. I don't know. Some people like it, some people hate it.
Yeah, certainly not going to bother me. Oh, ham and pineapple.
And normally I'll just use tin pineapple, but I forgot we got some nice fresh pineapple to use.
Oh yeah.
Yum.
Oh yeah, just a... So that's what you're doing, salami one?
Yep.
Yeah, nice. Pepperoni pizza.
Oh, well, yeah. Pepperoni. Correct. Let's get these on. Might need a hand, Gibbo. Don't know. Pepperoni pizza verdict.
Yeah, it's good, mate.
10 out of 10.
It's not bad.
No, 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it's not bad.
So hungry. Self ham and pineapple.
That was pretty sweet.
Oh, I'll give you a ready. It's damn hot. Okay.
She hasn't eaten for a month.
Oh, damn. Those bases go so crispy.
Aren't they amazing?
Oh, damn. Hey, Mom. Beautiful. See you in the morning. think I can see myself. All right, welcome to Punyelroo Lagoon.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Check this out. It's pelican heaven. And guess what we're doing? Cave exploring. Now, how long was this cave, did they say?
3 kilometres, I think.
Yeah, it's huge, so it's going to be exciting. Check that out.
Beautiful.
Wow, it is
A
lovely.
sanctuary from all them boats, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. So you just leave from Punyelroo Caravan Park, basically paddle across the river and make your way into this lagoon, and then do it about, chuck another left and go to the other side of the bank, so I don't think we're too far away. What the heck? You're walking on water, Gibbo.
I'm in God mode.
He's had to get out because we're too shallow.
Might be able to get through there.
You reckon that might be the better way?
Nah, because it's blocked off over there.
Right.
How shallow's this?
Meanwhile, I'm just the queen, getting pushed along.
You might want to paddle in, you're going to end up over there. Check this out.
Don't you get my phone.
I'm walking it. You want to paddle back? Come on, woman. I've been pushing her along. Alright, so we're hunting for the caves, babe, aren't we?
We are.
Can't see anything through there. Maybe it's just keep going up.
Now you can access this from Swan Reach on a property. Just got to close the gate, and then it's like a bit of a ladder down and a fair walk by the sounds of it, and either part of it you've got to sort of support yourself by a rope and come down the cliff face. But it's gorgeous, isn't it?
And isn't it a 20-metre swim underwater too? Yeah, it's beautiful.
So we're looking out for a walking trail as well.
And what's this, our second or third attempt at trying to find this joint?
Second attempt.
That's right, because we tried from the top.
Yes.
Yeah, well, we tried. We asked all the locals where the Punyelroo caves were, and we've been all up along here. I'll just show you. The river goes all the way along there. There's no signage to get to it, but we've had a guts full. We're chucking a Yui, and we're going home. We got into the property, and then we just couldn't find the entrance, the climb down, could we?
No. So when you do come through the gate, there's a road to your right. Take that, whereas we drove straight through. Yeah. All right, ta-da. There's people up here, so
Doesn't mean it's it, but hopefully.
it will be. All right, exciting.
Yeah. Well, she said 11 o'clock.
Yeah, a bit more than, I'd say, 9 or 10.
Well, it's around 6:30.
So beautiful. So peaceful out here. Isn't it? All full of little birds. Let's hope there's no bats.
Check this out. That's pretty awesome. Right, like we said probably 1,500 times. It's 3 kilometres long. Apparently it gets, in this first section, it gets really low straight away. It's crawling. Yeah, look, you got to crawl through there, Wallace.
And we're all wet, so it's going to be nice and muddy, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm not getting on my hands and knees. If I can bend over.
Is the first clip the brightest on this torch?
Yeah.
You feel the temperature drop.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Cool. All right, see you later.
Yeah, here you go. See ya.
Take me hat. Hold me hat.
Yeah.
Rightio.
Have fun.
Better not be any creepy crawlies.
Too low for me.
Oh, it's actually good height for Anya.
Yeah, but you don't bleed.
Now, apparently, we've got arrows.
Don't go too far. You need to kayak back.
Oh, good Lord. Oh, standing room up here. Oh, it's eerie. Okay. We have some historic cave paintings. It's only that one little section. You don't want to do it? Can you hear me?
Hello?
It's only that one little section.
Yeah, I'm just doing it right now. Oh, yeah, if I can keep it in the back on it.
Yeah. No, all good.
Too sharp.
Yep, all right.
I'm not calling on my hands and knees.
No. You right?
Now do your crap I'm carrying. Yeah. Now I know how crab feels.
You mean all? It's just a hat.
Hey,
It's just a hat.
it's not just a hat.
Oh, you dropped it.
It's all your crap. Can I stand up in a minute?
Yeah.
Cool.
I'll show you.
That's better.
Yeah. And then it's just a tiny little low bit and then it's up again. Right, give me my hat then.
There you go. All right. Oh, wow.
God,
Man, this is amazing. Look,
Isn't
it just
it?
keeps going.
it's very cool.
Look through there.
Very cool.
Oh. Don't need to go any further anyway, I reckon.
See you then.
You reckon?
Yeah. You want me to leave you in the dark?
No. Oh, not a freaking dark.
Actually, turn the light
I'm not
on.
going too.
I want to feel
It's going to go too far.
Yep.
Yeah, okay, it is dark.
pitch black. You can't see your hand.
Pretty awesome, isn't it?
It's great. Now we had floods, was it a couple of years ago? I can't remember. Whenever the floods were anyway, so it apparently has ruined the track a little bit if you're walking down.
Yeah. Oh, that's enough for me. It's
Yeah.
good. Well, back in the day, I used to mine here years ago.
Did you the one that dug it all out?
Yeah, I was one of the first to dig this out. All right, come on.
Just shine the torch for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be pretty narrow through there.
Hey?
Pretty narrow through there. I think someone... Just shine it back to me just a little bit. I wasn't sure if it was a rock in the way.
All right.
I think someone might have actually videoed the whole walk.
Oh, that'd be interesting. And good on them. It doesn't interest me enough to do the whole walk. This is, I mean, what we've just seen is enough. You're just going to see more of this.
Yeah, that's
if you're
right.
standing up all the way,
Yeah, it'd be
I
super
wouldn't have a problem. I just don't like this crawling through crap.
And the trees at the front of the cave before the floods, it was a pretty little green tree, so just turn it back to me for a bit. It was made it for a really nice photo. But they're all dead now.
Yeah. Just a little bit of history. There's some archaeological paintings in here.
I showed them. They're pretty cool.
Did you already show that?
Yeah.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. They're, I reckon they're thousands of years old.
Oh, they got to be. Got to be.
Do you see the, whatever that's supposed to be, the lizard or something?
Where, all right, over here. Not yet. Yeah, the natives did that back in the early 1200s.
Gibbo's not farting, that's his thongs.
Oh, yeah.
Wet thongs.
Keep waiting for some alien or something to run up behind us.
Ouch!
I can't believe you're struggling.
Oh, I can stand up.
You don't have any legs, mate. Can you imagine me?
Oh.
I'll tell you what, that was easier getting through that part on the way out than what it was on the way in.
Yeah, okay.
I didn't, yeah, it seemed a lot easier. That's beautiful, get a few photos.
Oh, yeah.
Cool. Birds love it, don't they?
Yeah. So cute.
Thank you.
Absolutely awesome. Would recommend that, but I'd recommend kayaking from Punyelroo Caravan Park and coming across, because the walk sounds pretty hard. Oh, for God's sake, Gibbo.
What the? Just be taught.
Oh, I just want to look at the bit of the walk, actually. Sorry. You chill.
Okay.
From the floods, there's a lot of debris and stuff everywhere. Oh, it looks like it'll be a picturesque little walk. Huh? Oh, there you go. From the floods. All right. I'll leave it there. What'd you say?
I said I probably won't come back and do it again, but it was certainly worth doing.
Absolutely, yeah. Yeah.
The good part is when you come over, you got a nice beach area to sunbake on.
Yeah, the river's down a bit apparently, so you can see where the pelicans are.
Can you point to it? I can't see in there.
So straight through there.
Yeah.
So that's all you need to do. Would you say? So once you come through that little middle section, I reckon about 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Angle it at 10 o'clock.
Yeah, I'd say 10.
Yeah. Anyway, bye-bye, Cave.
Yep, thanks for coming.
Yeah.
We're out of here.
It's a shame they don't have a sign. I wonder what were on those star droppers. I wonder if they had signs on that. Just to pinpoint, for people coming across not knowing.
Even if they were coloured or something, it'd give you a bit of a...
Yeah.
Yeah, we wouldn't be able to do this stuff. We couldn't bring our big kayak. This is the only way that it's getting us to do it, isn't it?
Yeah. If you're a caravaner, this is the way to go.
Oh, I think so.
Isn't that fun? Look how hidden that entrance is.
Yeah. It's not till you get right up here that you actually see it.
Yeah.
I've got to see the walkway up to it, at least.
Anyway, that's it.
Head back.
Let's go. It's pretty busy back at this damn caravan park, and there's boats everywhere. And because of all the waves, because everyone's like doing their bit, we've just got to make sure we go at an angle to the waves. Otherwise, water get you pretty low in these kayaks, and water comes straight over the front nose.
And we got to try and get straight across before we get killed by a boat.
They're really strong colours, like the black, yellow and white. They're gorgeous.
What's this?
Oh man. This is the only way to do it. Have a look at their landing pad, would you?
Yeah.
Looks like it's been man-made.
It does.
I could just go to sleep in the back here, you know?
I mean, boats now, I love them, they're great. I'm certainly not knocking them. But so, you just don't relax like you do in these things.
So true.
So tranquil
And here we come through to the madhouse.
yeah, you can hear it already.
Check these sights out.
I think.
And the lawn.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Punyelroo Caravan Park.
Well, I'm very impressed with it.
Yes, great spot, dog friendly.
The people here are lovely too. We had a good yarn with them. They told us how to get to the caves and everything, and invited us over for a bit of a feed, which we're probably going to not be able to do now.
No,
but yeah, oh mate, this joint is beautiful. I recommend anyone coming down and giving this a crack. Now up around the corner there where Andrea's pointing, where them jet skis and that are, the kiosk is up there. Plenty of area to bring your boat and park your trailer.
there's the boat ramp. Check out this lawn area. Got a little playground for the kids. Pretty busy weekend.
Yeah, and see the site there, like where that expander is? Right near the river, and you've got your own little grass patch. They're top sites.
Yeah, they've done very
You
well.
know, mate.
Well set up, guys.
Yeah, good job. Good job. And you got to remember, they're still cleaning up after the floods and stuff.
Yeah, that's right.
They've done a fantastic job. That's it. And your cup holder. Do you want to see it again? Yes. You probably blinked, didn't you? And then your cup holder. Don't forget the cup holder. Sit your nuts in it if you want. Think he nibbled today or something? You get a wine.
Yeah.
Good on you. Good on you. Well done. What are those? Oh, okay, cool. Thanks, Faith. Shortbread with
South Australian
oh, fuck! Yeah, they're nice. Yeah, very. I love shortbread. Well, if we can't catch this sucker, You can't catch anything. Look at the size of him. Whoa. Hey, look at him. He's huge. Right, I'm going to go down and catch that bastard.
Get her up there. Redfin, it is. Are you serious? We eat tonight.
Food! Hey!
Oh, you beauty.
Well, how cool's that?
Very cool. Finally. If it's got colour on it, right?
Yeah, is it orange?
Yeah, is it carp? Ah.
Ah! That's how much we know our fish. It's a bloody carp.
So check out Gibbo's all his lures and all the crap he buys. And I got the hat to match.
Yep, all the gear, no fucking idea.
Batten down the hatches.
A bit of a change of weather, wasn't it?
We've got a dust storm coming in.
Holy dolly!
Can't see it now, but look at that wet bird out there. What'd you say?
Nice sausages.
The simple things in life: chips, onion, and sausage and bread.
Beautiful.
Good morning. We're going to go across the river and check out Swan Reach, a little town, pub, cafe, museum. What else there's? There's like a gallery there, but we're going to check it out, have a look, and have a coffee.
Should be good. Yay! Thanks a lot, very nice.
Thank you.
You too. Right, this is from the pub across the river, and our camp is over here. Look at the tree, look at that tree full of the birds. Anya,
What?
I'd survived. What more could you ask for? Absolutely bloody beautiful.
Come on, you guys, you ain't bigger than that.
I forgot the fish in that one.
Probably there. Right, go.
What was that?
So we're going to try fishing from the kayak.
What?
Oh!
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's hilarious. Any red fin yet? Not yet.
They stumble through the bar, waiting for that look, 'cause my heart is on fire. I'm ready to cook. I'm the fisherman of the night. By the
Dust storm, now rainstorm.
Can't complain about that, can you? Freaking awesome.
Look at the large rainbow.
right, well, so it was our first trip towing the van, and after, I don't know, 300-400 k's towing, not a lot, but we've just towed through some horrid winds and
Oh my God.
up some, the route home had some huge hills and all the rest of it. Yeah, very impressed with the Ranger. We got in tow mode. The economy's down, but you can understand that with the winds and all the rest. You know, whereas we were 14, 15 litres per 100, up to 20 or whatever. But I was driving. I'm testing things and doing everything else, and yeah, it was pretty horrific. It was a headwind and then gusts of side winds. And our biggest problem is the van's been sitting for that long, and my bad, real bad, every caravan person knows better, I forgot to pump my tyres up, and I noticed they're down a little bit, so you can just sort of feel the van at that little bit when normally you wouldn't. But yeah, it's pulling it beautiful.
Yeah, doing a good job.
Yeah, no, so
It's really...
the Ranger's doing well, I reckon, so far, the V6 Ranger, yep.
Yeah, and it's really cool when coming down the hill that in
Oh.
tow mode... Oh, sorry
all right.
about that. Yeah, in tow mode...
Hold your hat.
uses your exhaust brakes. Yeah, which is really good.
Yeah, the exhaust brakes is a cracker. The braking in this, with the red arc, the built-in forward braking, which is red arc, we had the red arc in our Mighty Tridey, but we noticed we're always adjusting it, and it was always skidding the van. So frustrating.
Sorry about that.
Yep. Yeah. And it was really frustrating. So with this one, it hasn't skidded once yet. And we're even half the time thinking, is it even working? But you squeeze it and it
Yeah, as an emergency brake.
emergency braking, yeah. So yeah, no, I don't know, it's absolutely, I mean, we love the Triton, but this thing is really, really good. It just, I'm only tapping it and ripping it up the hills.
Hope you enjoyed the episode, and let's get on to somewhere else very soon.
Yeah, absolutely. Woohoo!
Thanks guys, bye.